G'day, in this video I'm going to take you through connecting your device to the HDMI input on the TVs here on Royal Caribbean's Ovation of the Seas. Okay, so the TVs are actually connected quite securely in the cabins on the Royal Caribbean Ovation of the Seas cruises. To get the TV out, you actually do need to give it a bit of a pull. It actually feels quite firm, and as you can see, there's a bit of a jolt when it does come out. Now, it gets a bit tricky when you get behind the TV. Okay, so now that the TV's out from the wall, you can see that it's not a huge amount of space. And as I get closer in here, you see there's two cables connected. Now, this one here is my HDMI cable. This one here is the internet data, or the data cable that Royal Caribbean send all the information to the TV on, so all the programs. So directly above this port here is where you want to plug in your HDMI cable. Now, I'll show you on the screen now, but basically you want the narrow side of the HDMI cable on the front side of the TV and the broader side of the HDMI cable at the back here. So once you kind of fiddle and get it in, you then need to come down, make sure you feed your cable through this hole here in the TV frame. Right, you do that so that your TV actually will close back up against the wall and be secure, and it won't jam or crimp any of your cables. Hey, I really hope you're liking this video. If it's useful to you, please don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and if you're enjoying the content on our channel, like and subscribe. Now let's get back into finishing off how to set this TV up. All right, so now that we've got the cable connected back to on the back of the TV there, and we've fed our cable through, we've got to connect our HDMI cable to our device. In this case, I'm just connecting it to my laptop, but you might be connecting it to an Apple device. You might need to have an adapter or that sort of thing. Some phones, like my Samsung phone, can do USB-C to HDMI, so I could also connect that and then use the phone on there and watch things or do work. So once I get the HDMI cable in, and I'm sure everyone knows how to connect the HDMI cable, it's already set up so that it will flick to the output, and then we come over to the TV. So with the TV switched on, thank you assistant for handing me the remote. You go, scroll down to live TV, and you'll get a menu. So you get your live TV here, you get your menu, and this is all your standard things that you'll see. So the Royal Entertainment, Cruise Compass, tells you what's on the day, where we are on the map, etc. If you scroll down to on that menu, live TV, click across so that it's now highlighted, scroll down to the very bottom. The very last option on the list is HDMI input. So that comes after all the different music videos, special events coverage, etc. So if I press OK, you'll see I've now got the output of my laptops as a second screen here, and I can then use this if I'm doing work, if you're doing work. So by all means, make sure to check out your TV when you first get in. Go to live TV, scroll down to the bottom and look for that HDMI input, and if it's there, your TV is ready to use HDMI devices in your cabin.